Hi, in the last video we talked about one of the ways to make passive income from Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, and it was staking. We talked about what is actually staking, why is now the right time to stake your Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, and I showed you step by step how you can do it on one of the exchanges. And in this video, we are going to talk about different way of earning passive income from Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, and that is saving. What is actually saving? Saving occurs when you put your money or cryptocurrency from one account, which is spot account, to saving account, and you're getting interest on a daily basis. The difference between saving and staking is when you stake your cryptocurrency or Bitcoin, you need to lock your cryptocurrency for a defined period of time. For example, you need to lock your Bitcoin for 15, 30, 60 or 90 days. But when you save cryptocurrency, you're not getting the high percentage of interest rates, but you can withdraw your money anytime. How you can save your cryptocurrency and what is the interest rate? It depends from exchange to exchange, but I will show you step by step how you can do it on a Binance exchange. If you use any of the other exchanges, the steps are very similar. First thing that you need to do when you log in on your Binance account is to go to Earn and then find Savings. When you click on Savings, the new window will pop up. You should choose flexible savings, and then you can find a coin and check if it is available for a saving account. When you find a coin, you click on subscribe and the new window will open. In this example, I choose XC Infinity. You can put the amount of the coins that you want to put in the saving account, and you can see here what is the maximum amount. On the right side, you can see more information such as distribution dates and others. Usually your saving account and interest rates start one day after you deposit your cryptocurrency into saving account. And there are different interest rates based on how many coins or tokens you're putting in the saving account. With X Infinity, if you put 0 to 5 tokens, you're earning 20% per year. If you put 5 to 20 tokens, you're earning 2%. And if you put more than 20 tokens, you're earning 1% per year. Here is important point that you need to know. If you put more than 20, you're getting for the first 5, 20%, from 5 to 20 you're getting 2%, and 1% you're getting just for the coins that you have above the number of 20. After you agree to terms and conditions, you can click confirm and your coins will be in your saving account. I hope that with this video I helped you to learn something new. If I did, please like our video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in some of the next videos. Thank you for watching.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning